Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. Have you tried Hard as Hoof nail strengthening cream? If you haven't, it really is a must. This stuff is so creamy and smells divine. It's like coconut. It just reminds me of being at the beach. But what's the best part of it is that it really works to strengthen your nails. So the great thing about it is that a very little bit goes a long way. So when I use this, I just usually take my nail and I get only about that much on there. And then I just put a little bit and rub it in on all my nails. Now, right now, I did a project and my nails are all pretty short. But this stuff is just so moisturizing. I'm gonna keep using it, and soon I'm gonna have nice, long, beautiful nails again. I just love it. If you're looking for something to help your nails, especially after acrylics or gel nails, to help take care of any thinning or ridges, I definitely would recommend the Hard as Hoof, love the name, nail strengthener. And that's my point of view.